we're going to do some intermediate level, well, and some easier Christmas dances. They're a little faster, so it makes them a little harder. So join me for a little while for some of our fun dances. Our first one's going to be Baby Jesus is Born, 12-beat introduction, and 2 Kentucky vines. In Baby Jesus is Born, we have a couple of different steps. The first one is runs and rocks. You're going to do 2 double steps, 2 rock steps, like a fancy double, but they're going to go in front. So runs and rocks. Ready, and as we do it, we're going to turn it. So the first time we do it, we're at the side, and then we're going to turn to the back with a run. So it's double step, rock 1, rock 2. Rocking chair quarter left, runs and rocks to the front. The other different one in here is a slur brush followed by a touch. So you're going to do a normal slur brush and then add touch up. And then again, double step, slur step, double step, brush up, touch up. Kentucky vine.
Tell the children, Abraham, there's a star over Bethlehem, and the light in the manger comes for Christmas morning.
Double, 2 steps, round out. Rocking chair, quarter left, runs and rocks to the back. Rocking chair, quarter left, runs and rocks to the front. Slur brush and a touch. Slur brush and a touch. Toe heel, Kentucky vine. Double, 2 steps, round out. 2 toe heels. Rocking chair, quarter left, runs and rocks to the back. Run, rocking chair, runs and rocks to the front. Slur brush with a touch. Toe heel, Kentucky vine. Double, 2 steps, rocking chair. Fancy double, Kentucky vine. Let's turn it a quarter left, going right, Kentucky vine. Turn to the back, double. 2 steps, Kentucky vine. Turn it, quarter right. To the front, double. 2 steps, Kentucky vine. No turn this time. To the right. Double, turn it. Double to the back. Double, keep turning. 1 more. 1 brush. Good job. Our next dance is with bells on. There's a couple of different steps in here. The first one you're going to do is a tomahawk. You're going to do a brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel, and then a fancy double to the back. And then at the back, it's brush up, toe, heel, brush up, toe, heel, fancy double to the front. Do it again. Brush up, toe, heel, fancy double. 1 more time. Brush up, toe, heel, fancy double to the front. The other one in here is a run step, kind of like a rooster. You're going to do 1 double step, and then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heel. So run step, left foot starts, ready, and double step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, heel. You're going to put a stomp double, Pigeon lift, double out, in, up, fancy double. In the dance, you're going to turn the stomp double to the back. In this one, we also have a touch sequence. The first time we do it, it's with the right foot. You're going to start 2 toe touches, 2 runs, and then 2 quick touches. Touch back, touch front. Okay, touches, ready, and. You're also going to do that with your left foot the second time we get to it. So left foot touches, ready, and. All right. Five, 6, tomahawk, brush up to the back. Tomahawk. Triple kick, let me hear you, ho ho. Ho ho, triple back. Push up. Run step. Stomp to the back. Pigeon. Fancy double. Run step. Stomp. Pigeon. Fancy double. Tomahawk. To the back. Tomahawk. To the front. Triple kick. Ho ho. Push off. Clog over mine. Touches. Clog over mine. Touches. 2 runs, run steps. Stomp. Pigeon. Fancy double. Run step. Stomp. Pigeon. Fancy double. Tomahawk. To the back. Tomahawk. To the front. Triple kick. Push off. Tomahawk. To the back. Tomahawk. To the front. Triple kick. Push off. Tomahawk. To the back. Tomahawk. To the front. Okay, our next one's going to be an Albertan artist, Gord Bamford, and it's Alberta Christmas Morning. 10 beats, starts with a rooster. Rooster. Push off. Rock to the back. Toe touches. Rooster. Push off. Rock to the front. Toe touches. Fancy clog on the right.
They never slept in bed. Our living room's a toyland. You gotta watch your every step.
Rooster.
Christmas morning.
Push off.
And we're gathered around the tree.
Rock to the back.
Opening up our
Toe
presents.
touches.
And it sure was good to me.
Rooster.
And the snow's outside the window.
Push off.
And the fire is burning.
Rock to the
bright.
front.
It's an Alberta Christmas
Toe
morning.
touches.
I'm holding my baby tight.
Western basics. Toe heel. Fancy clog over.
Peanut tree on the stereo, singing that Rudolph song, and we're sipping on our eggnog, tapping our toes along.
Rooster.
It's an Alberta Christmas morning,
Push off.
and we're gathered around the tree.
Rock to the back.
Opening up our
Toe
presents, and it
touches.
sure was good to me.
Rooster. Rooster.
And the snow's outside the window.
Push off.
And the fire is burning.
Rock to the
It's an
front.
Alberta Christmas
Toe
morning.
touches.
And I'm holding my baby tight.
Clog over vine. We're going to do it in a box. Turn it quarter left. Go to the right. Turn to the back. Clog over vine left. Go to the right. Turn to the front. Two toe heels. Rooster.
Alberta Christmas morning.
Push off.
And we're gathered round the
Rock
tree.
3/4.
Opening up our
Toe
presents. And
touches.
it sure looks good to me.
Rooster.
And the snow's outside the window.
Push up.
And the fire is burning.
Rock
bright.
pass.
It's an Alberta Christmas
Toe
morning.
touches.
And I'm holding my baby tight.
Rooster.
It's an Alberta Christmas morning.
Push up.
And I'm holding my baby tight.
Rock to the front. Toe touches. Good job. Our next one is Jingle Bells. We're going to start with a brush over vine. So remember, it's kind of a rocking chair to the left. Western Basics, Joey. And then we have a slur, run, and clap. So what you're going to do is a double step, slur, step, double step, clap. But as we do it, it's going to be with our right foot every time we do it. You're going to turn the slur a quarter left. So it's double step, slur, double step, clap. Okay? One Joey on your left, ready, and slur and clap. Turn. All right. This is Jingle Bells, 16 beats, starts with a brush over vine. Five, six, brush over
Dashing through the snow
vine.
in one horse open sleigh.
Western Basics,
O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way.
brush over
Bells on bobtail
vine.
ring, making spirits
Western Basics,
fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight.
Joey.
Jingle bells,
Slur and clap, turn a quarter.
all the way.
Joey,
Oh, what fun it is
slur
to
and clap to the back.
horse open sleigh.
Joey,
Jingle bells,
slur and clap.
jingle all the way.
Joey,
Oh, what fun it is
slur
to
and clap.
ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Over vine turn. Fancy double. Over vine turn. Fancy double. Brush over
Now the ground is
vine.
so go it while you're
Western Basics.
Take the girls tonight and sing the sleighing song.
Brush over
Get a bobtail
vine.
244
Western
and
Basics.
hitch her to an open sleigh and crack and take the lead.
Joey,
Jingle bells,
slur and clap turn.
jingle all the way.
Joey,
Oh, what fun it is
slur
to
and
ride
clap.
in a one horse open sleigh.
Joey,
Jingle bells,
slur and clap.
jingle all the way.
Joey,
Oh, what fun it is
slur
to
and clap.
ride in a one horse
Over vine step, double. This dance is Nuttin For Christmas. It's got a few steps in it we haven't done yet. So the first one is a hard step. That's not so hard. It's double back brush up and a basic. Double back brush up and a basic. If you want to see it from the side, you're going to do double back brush up and a basic. Double back brush up and a basic. And then we have a Fisher step. Fisher step starts with your left, a double step. Double up, toe, heel, touch, out, toe, heel, rock, step, and a basic. Fisher, left foot ready, and double step, double up, toe, heel, touch, out, toe, heel, rock, step, and a basic. Let's get it started. Nuttin For Christmas, 16 beats, starts with 2 hard steps. 5, 6, hard step.
I broke my doll on Kenny's
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Hard step.
I hit a frog, my sister.
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Push off.
I spilled some
2 kicks, turn them a quarter. Push right. 2 kicks to the back. Push left. 2 kicks, turn. Push right. 2 kicks to the front. Fisher.
Nuttin For Christmas.
Rocking chair, quarter. Fancy double to the back. Fisher.
I'm getting nothing for Christmas.
Rocking chair, turn a quarter. Rock fancy double to the front. Basics. Hard step.
I put a tag on teacher.
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Hard step.
I tied a knot in Sarah.
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Push off left. 2 kicks, turn a quarter. Push right. 2 kicks to the back. Push left. 2 kicks, turn a quarter. Push right. 2 kicks to the front. Fisher. Rocking chair, turn a quarter. Fancy double. Fisher. Rocking chair, quarter. Fancy double to the front. Clog over line. Charleston brush. Triple. Clog over line. Charleston brush. Triple. Hard step.
I won't be seeing old Santa.
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Hard step.
He won't come visit me.
Samantha, half.
Somebody snitched on me.
Push off.
Next year
2 kicks, turn.
going straight.
Push right.
Next year
2 kicks to the back. Push right, left. 2 kicks.
It's too late.
Push right.
Somebody
2
snitched
kicks.
on me.
Fisher.
Getting nothing.
Rocking chair, turn a quarter. Stay here for the fancy double. Fisher.
I'm getting nothing for Christmas.
Rocking chair, quarter. Stay here, fancy double. Fisher.
I'm getting nothing for Christmas.
Rocking chair, quarter. Fancy double. Fisher.
I'm getting nothing for Christmas.
Rocking chair to the front. Fancy double. Fisher.
I can't be nothing but mad.
Fancy double. Rocking chair. Joey. Step. Our next one is a pretty peppy one, and it's for Bev, our Australian, so we have to have one for her. This is 6 white boomers. We're going to start with 8 slow beats, or if you count them a little faster, it's 16. Kentucky Vine. Slur Brush. Triple. Kentucky Vine, right? Rocking chair. Then 4 toe taps. Samantha. 2 turkeys. Karate a quarter. Fancy double. High horse. And then we start again with our Kentucky Vines. We're going to do this to each wall and then 1 extra time at the front. Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Slur
bloomers,
brush.
racing Santa Claus,
Triple.
blazing
Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Rocking
bloomers,
chair.
on his
Toe tap.
Australian run.
Samantha.
Pretty soon old Santa began to feel the heat.
Turkeys.
Took his fur-lined boots off to cool his
Karate a quarter.
feet. Into one pop
Fancy
Joey,
double.
feeling quite okay.
High horse.
While those old man kangaroos kept pulling on the
Kentucky
sleigh.
Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Slur
bloomers,
brush.
racing Santa Claus,
Triple.
blazing
Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Rocking chair.
on his
Toe tap.
Australian run.
Samantha.
Joey said to Santa, Santa, what about the
Turkeys.
Aren't you giving some to these girls and
Karate quarter.
They've all had their
Fancy
presents.
double.
We were here last night.
High horse.
This trip is an extra trip. Joey's special
Kentucky
flight.
Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Slur brush.
racing Santa Claus,
Triple.
blazing
Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Rocking chair.
on his
Toe tap.
Australian run.
Samantha.
The sleigh was flashing past right over Marble Bar.
Turkeys.
Slow down there.
Cried Santa.
It can't
Karate.
be far. Hop up on my lap
Fancy
here, son,
double.
and have a look around.
High horse.
There she is. That's Mummy bounding up and
Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Slur brush.
racing Santa Claus,
Triple.
blazing
Kentucky Vine.
6 white bloomers, Snow White
Rocking chair.
on his
Toe tap.
Australian run.
Samantha.
Well, that's the bestest Christmas treat that Joey ever had.
Turkeys.
Curled up in mother's couch, feeling snug and glad.
Karate.
The last they saw was
Fancy
Santa
double.
heading northwards from the
High
sun.
horse.
The only year the boomers worked a double
Kentucky Vine.
run. 6 white boomers, Snow White
Slur brush.
racing Santa Claus,
Triple.
blazing
Kentucky Vine.
6 white boomers, Snow White
Rocking chair.
on his
Toe tap.
Australian run.
Rocking chair. Triple. Good job. All right, a little touch of Irish in here. We're going to do Christmas in Killarney. This is normally one Donna cues, so I might be more rusty at this than the others. It does have in here walk the dragon, so left foot 4 runs forward, dragon turn. Walk the dragon again, 4 runs, dragon turn. And then you have fancy triple. So fancy triple is a double step, double over, double behind, rock step, double over, double behind, rock step. We also have a football turn in here. You're going to do a left foot, it's a double step and kick, rock step and kick, rock step, basic and kick. Okay, we also do it with our right foot. In fact, the right foot comes first. Without turning, it's double step, kick 1, rock step, kick 2, rock step, basic, kick 3. If you turn it, first time you're going to turn half right, ready, and double step, kick 1, rock step, kick 2, rock step, kick 3. Eight-beat intro and 2 cross touches. Cross touch.
The holly green, the ivy green, the prettiest picture you've
Rocking
ever
chair to
seen.
the
It's
back.
Christmas in Killarney,
Triple.
with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
It's nice, you know, to kiss
Triple.
your beau and cuddling under the
Rocking chair
mistletoe.
half.
And Santa Claus, you know,
triple.
course, is one of the boys from
Samantha half.
The door is always open, the neighbors pay a call.
Push off.
And Father John, before he's gone, will bless the house
Samantha.
and all. Our hearts are laid,
To the
our
front.
spirits bright, we'll celebrate our joy
Push off.
tonight. It's Christmas in Killarney, with all of the folks at
Cross
home.
touch.
The holly green, the ivy
Triple.
green, the prettiest picture
Rocking
you've
chair
ever
half.
seen. It's Christmas in Killarney,
Triple.
with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
It's nice, you know, to kiss
Triple.
your beau and cuddling under the
Rocking chair
mistletoe.
half.
And Santa Claus, you know,
Triple.
is one of the boys from
Walk
home.
the dragon.
Decorate the Christmas tree when all the families
Fancy
here.
triple.
From the roaring fire, we will raise a cup of cheer.
Walk the dragon.
To bring in songs to sing and laughs and make the
Fancy triple.
Christmas in Killarney with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
The holly green, the ivy
Triple.
green, the prettiest picture you've ever
Rocking
seen.
chair
It's
half.
Christmas in Killarney,
Triple.
with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
It's nice, you know, to kiss your
Triple.
beau and cuddling under the
Rocking chair half.
Santa Claus, you know,
Triple.
of course, is one of the boys from home.
Stomp double turn. Clog over line. We're going to do them in a box. Turn a quarter to the right. Turn to the back. Clog over line. Keep turning. One more to the right. Now hop triple. Triple back up. Cross touch.
The holly green, the ivy
Triple.
green, the prettiest picture you've
Rocking
ever
chair
seen.
half.
It's Christmas in Killarney,
Triple.
with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
It's nice, you know, to kiss
Triple.
your beau and cuddling under the
Rocking chair half.
Santa Claus, you know,
Triple.
of course, is one of the boys from home.
Clog over line.
Take the horse and sleigh all across the fields of snow.
Football turn.
Listen to the jingle bells everywhere we go.
Clog over line.
Round the fields to click your heels and dance away to the
Football
jingle bells.
turn.
It's Christmas in Killarney with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
The holly green, the ivy
Triple.
green, the prettiest picture you've
Rocking
ever
chair
seen.
half.
It's Christmas in Killarney,
Triple.
with all of the folks at home.
Cross touch.
It's nice, you know, to kiss your
Triple.
beau and cuddling under the
Rocking chair half.
Santa Claus, you know,
Triple.
of course, is one of the boys from home.
Cross touch.
The holly green, the ivy
Triple.
green, the prettiest picture
Rocking
you've
chair.
ever
Stay
seen.
here.
And you know Blarney,
Triple.
no matter where you
Fancy triple.
Christmas in Killarney, with all of the folks at home.
Hop basic. All right. I hope I did it okay, Donna. Here's one we've done for a few years now. It quickly became a favorite. I think everyone enjoys it. We're going to start with 2 heel pull basics. You're going to do a heel pull and a basic, heel pull and a basic. You're going to do a basketball turn to the back and again to the front, and then a stomp double. And then heel pull to the right, heel pull, 2 basketball turn, stomp double. All right. 8 beats, starts with those heel pulls. This is called We Need a Little Christmas. Heel pull basic.
All out the holly,
Basketball turn.
the tree be
Stomp double.
spirit
Heel
falls
pull basic.
fill up the stocking,
Basketball turn.
rushing
Stomp double.
deck the hall
2 basics. Fancy double. Clog over vine.
Christmas, right this very day.
Joey.
Candles in the window,
Triple.
carols at the
Clog over vine.
day, a little Christmas, right this very day.
Joey.
Hasn't started to sing
Triple.
to deal with
Heel pull basic.
down the chimney.
Basketball turn.
Why the
Stomp double.
lights I've ever
Heel pull basic.
seen. The fruitcake
Basketball turn.
comes some
Stomp double.
on the air.
Basics. Fancy double. Clog over vine.
Roll a little beaver, roll a little hole,
Joey.
roll a little sack,
Triple.
roll a little
Clog over vine.
need a little angel sitting on my shoulder.
Joey.
Need a little Christmas.
Triple. 3 Kentucky drags. and a basic. Joey, stump double, Kentucky drag. Joey, stump double. Walk the dragon, but we're not turning. Stay at the front. Clog over vine. Joey, triple. Clog over vine. Joey, triple. Two basics. Samantha. Okay, our next one is Jingle Bell Rock. 16 beats, starts with a heel vine. You're going to do a heel rock step, heel rock step, heel rock step, and a basic. Try that again. Heel vine, ready, and you have 2 slur basics, then a clog over vine back, and then we have 4 hop and clap. For that one, you're going to do hop step, and turn half. One time you do it all the way around. In the middle of the dance, we do have a couple of times that we get grapevine kicks. You're just going to do a step behind, step, kick, step behind, step, kick. 16 beats, starts with a heel vine. Five, 6, heel vine.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Slur basics.
Jingle bells swing and jingle bells
Clog over vine.
snowing and blowing up bushels of fun.
Hop and clap to the back.
Now the jingle hop has begun.
Heel vine.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Slur basics.
Jingle bell time and jingle bell
Clog over vine.
dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square.
Hop and clap.
In the frosty air.
Triple kick forward. Hop and kick. Toe heel to the back.
The night away.
Triple kick twice.
Jingle bell time is a swell time
Toe heel to the front.
to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh.
Rocking chair.
Giddy up,
Fancy
jingle hop,
double.
pick up your feet.
Triple.
Jingle
Rock around all the way. Grapevine kick. Step, step,
and
step.
mingle in the jingling feet.
Charleston.
That's the
Fancy
jingle
double.
bell ride.
Heel vine.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Slur basics.
Jingle bell chime and jingle bell
Clog over vine.
prancing, jingle bell
Hop and flop all the way around.
in the frosty air.
Triple kick. One more. Toe heel to the back.
Rock the night away.
Triple kick.
Jingle bell time is a swell
Toe heel to the front.
to go gliding in the one-horse sleigh.
Rocking chair.
Giddy up,
Fancy double.
pick up your feet.
Triple.
Jingle
Rock all the way around. Grapevine kick.
mix and a mingle in the jingling feet.
Charleston turn a quarter.
That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell rock.
Jazz box. And step. The next one's I Believe in Santa Claus. Starts with your left foot. The little intro is 1 pigeon lift, so it's double out, in, up, and a basic, and a fancy double. And then we repeat that. This one has tap back. So left foot starts, you're going to do a double up, tap step, double up, one more. And then we're going to turn the basic to the back. And then you do it again, tap back, double up, tap step, one more, and basic to the front. We have the brush over vine that we've already done. Hard steps are in here. Over vine turn, you're going to turn it half. So it's 1, 2 to the back, fancy double. Over vine turn to the front, fancy double. Later in the dance, we'll do a bit more turning. You're going to turn it half, and then we also have a stomp double that will turn us a quarter. I think that's it. So let's try it out. I Believe in Santa Claus. 16 beats. Starts with that pigeon lift. 5, 6, pigeon lift. Fancy double. Pigeon lift. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Tap back. 3 of them. Turn on the basic to the back. Tap back. Brush over. Fine. Rocking chairs.
I believe the dream and his wishes can come.
Brush over. Fine. Rocking chairs. 2 runs. Hard step.
I believe in family, in country and in smile.
Outhouse.
I believe in turning negative positives into
Overbind turn to the back. Fancy double. Overbind turn. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Tap back. To the back of the basic. Tap back. Brush over. Vine. Rocking chairs. Brush over. Vine. Rocking chairs. Hard step. Outhouse. Overbind turn. Fancy double. Overbind turn. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Tap back. To the back. Tap back. Overbind turn. Half. Fancy double. Western basic. Stomp double a quarter. Overbind turn. Half. Fancy double. Western basic. Stomp double turn quarter. Overbind turn. Half. Fancy double. Western basic. Stomp double a quarter. Overbind turn. Half. Fancy double. Western basic. Stomp double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Slur brush. Fancy double. Tap back. 3 of them in a basic to the back. 1 more time. I'm going to go over a few steps here. This next one is Hallelujah Holiday. We're going to start with a petticoat pump. Left foot starts. It's a double step, brush up, touch across twice, touch out, touch across, and a basic. Petticoat pump. Left foot ready and brush up, across, across, out, across, and a basic. From the side, in case you want to see it, so where the feet are going, it's double step, brush up, touch across, touch out, touch across, and a basic. That's how we're going to start the dance. We have a hallelujah. You're going to do a double step, drag step, rock step, and then you're going to do it again with the right foot. Double step, drag step, rock step. These are hallelujahs, so we're going to get our arms going. So you're going to do double step, again. And then we have a holiday. It starts with a donkey. The donkey we do is the double step, touch across, touch out, touch across. Then you're going to rock, do a basic, and then 2 rock steps in front. Okay, so the holiday, left foot ready, and with the donkey, a basic, rock front twice. So, hallelujah first, left foot ready, and again, holiday. Then we have 2 runs, and we repeat all of it. And that's it. Well, let's see how we do. Five, 6, petticoat pump.
Hallelujah, holiday, a big time celebration.
Cowboy to the back.
We've been waiting many days to get this
Woo-hoo!
invitation.
2 runs, petticoat pump.
Joyful as a Sunday feeling, spirit soaring to the
Cowboy
ceiling.
to the front.
Ain't no work today, no way. It's a
Woo!
holiday.
2 runs, hallelujah.
Hallelujah,
Holiday.
singing hallelujah, 'cause it's a special day.
2 runs, hallelujah. Holiday. 2 runs, round out. 2 of them. Petticoat pump.
Hallelujah, holiday, good times are the way.
Cowboy to the
Feels
back.
so good to feel this way. What a
Woo!
great
2
sensation.
runs, petticoat pump.
And if it rains on our parade, well, we'll kick off our shoes
Cowboy
away.
to the front.
Nothing spoils the fun today, 'cause it's a
Woo!
holiday.
2 runs, and hallelujah. Holiday.
Singing hallelujah, 'cause it's a special day.
2 runs to the side. Hallelujah. Holiday. 2 runs to the back. Hallelujah. Holiday. 2 runs turn. Hallelujah. Holiday. 2 runs to the front. Holiday. 2 runs. Holiday. Double step. Woo! Got a Christmas dance that I think I need a little bit more of a teach for. This is called Santa Must Be Polish. We're going to start with the tappy. The tappy is a double step on your left. You're going to tap back with your right, brush up, and then touch step. Left foot ready, and double step, tap back, brush up, tap step. You're going to tap back on your left foot, brush up, and then 2 rock steps in front. Okay, tappy, ready, and double step, tap back, brush up, tap step, tap back, brush up, rock 1, rock 2. One more time, tappy, left foot ready, and karate to the back, unclogged. Tappy, double step, tap back, brush up, tap step, tap back, brush up, karate to the front, 2 unclog. All right, and one other section in here, we're going to do an MJ swish. So the MJ is double step, double behind, rock, heel, pull, step. You're going to do a rock step, double step, and then kind of like a pigeon style, double out, in, up. Okay, MJ swish, ready, and on that MJ, we're going to turn it quarter left, so you're going to do double step, rock, turn, step, rock, step, double out, do it again. To the back, rock, step, double step, again. Rock step, double out, in, up. Now we're not doing it again. From here, we're going to do a Scotty. Left foot, it's double step, double across, double out, toe down, stomp, double. When we do that one, we've already turned and we're here. So we've done quarter left, quarter left, quarter left. We're going to go 3/4 right with the Scotty. Ready, and all right, So this is Santa Must Be Polish. 16 beats. This is full speed. It's not too fast. Tap. 5, 6, tappy.
Santa must be Polish, he's jolly as can be.
Karate.
Riding on his sleigh,
Unclogs.
gifts for you and me.
Tappy.
Santa must be Polish, all dressed in red and white.
Karate.
Slipping down the chimney,
Unclog.
you'll sleep at night.
MJ Swish.
So I shall boys hang on our day.
MJ Swish to the back.
To everyone,
One more time. MJ, turn a quarter.
boys hang on our day.
Scotty, turning 3/4.
To everyone, cheer.
Toe heel. Tappy.
Santa must be Polish, he's such a merry man.
Karate.
Bringing lots of toys
Unclog.
to everyone he can.
Tappy.
One thing he's demanding and he wants it understood.
Karate.
Only bring you
Unclog.
very good.
MJ Swish.
So extra, boys hang on our
MJ Swish.
holidays. To everyone,
MJ Swish. One more time.
so extra, boys hang on our
Scotty.
joy and cheer. To everyone,
Clog over vine. Samantha. Clog over vine. Samantha. Tappy.
so extra, boys hang on our day.
Karate.
Happy holidays.
Unclog.
Every one of you,
Tappy.
so extra, boys hang on our
Karate.
brings joy and cheer.
Unclog.
Every
2 basics. Clog over vine. Samantha. Clog over vine. Samantha. All right. I wish you all a Merry Christmas. I hope you've enjoyed it. Mistakes and all, I do touch these dances only once a year, and this year we didn't even have any practice because we didn't have classes. We'll see you all next year for a more normal Christmas, I hope. If anyone's watching this from farther away in warmer areas of the world, we've had snow since early in November. It won't leave until like April. The backyard's covered, but we've got beautiful sunshine today, so I did some dancing on the deck.